Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my coruscating stars. Welcome in English class. I am Mr. Gulzar. Students, today we are going to learn about the use of was and were. First of all, beta, I will tell you that where we use was and were. Beta, we use was and were in past tense. Was and were are used as verb. Sometimes they are used as helping verb and sometimes they are used as main verb. But was and verb are the form of verb to be. There are many forms of verb to be like is, am, are, was and were. The is, am, are used in present tense. As we have done the use of is, am, are in previous lecture, they are used in present tense, and was and were are used in past tense. So let's see some rules and some examples of the use of was and were. But first of all, let's see where we use was and were. But was is used with I, he, she, it और singular noun. he, she, it और singular noun के साथ हम was यूज़ करते हैं और I के साथ भी हम was यूज़ करते हैं. Were is used with we, they, you and with plural nouns. Use of was were in examples when we are talking about past moments. जब हम past moments की बात करते हैं तो हम was और were को यूज़ करते हैं. Let's see some examples. I was at library. Second example is they were going. वो जा रहे थे. She was worried. वो परेशान थी. We were celebrating. These are the examples of use of was were in past moments. Second is the use of was or were in conditional sentences. You know बेटा, in conditional sentences we use if. जहाँ पे कंडीशन लगी हुई होती है वहाँ पे हम if का यूज़ करते हैं. तो conditional sentences में was और were किस तरह यूज़ होते हैं? There are two types of conditional sentences. Imaginary means unreal, not imaginary actually happened, जो real होते हैं. Imaginary इंसिडेंट्स के साथ हम वर यूज़ करते हैं और जो एक्चुअली हैपेंड होते हैं, जो एक्चुअली होते हैं, उनके साथ हम वॉज यूज़ करते हैं. सो लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स. हियर आर सम एग्जांपल्स. बट द फर्स्ट वन इज़ इफ़ आई वर अ बर्ड. अब इसका मतलब है यू आर मेकिंग अ विश. जब आप किसी चीज़ की विश कर रहे होते हैं तो उसके साथ भी हम इफ़ लगता है और उसके बाद हम उसके साथ वर यूज़ करते हैं. कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस में इफ़ लगा हुआ है and you are making a wish in this sentence. If I were a bird. This is your imaginary thinking. This is not real. You can't become a bird. Second is if I were a millionaire. This is also a wish. This is also an imaginary thing. The third one is if I was rude to you last night. अब ये हो चुका है और ये रियल में हुआ है तो इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे was यूज़ किया है. यूज़ ऑफ was and were in past continuous tense. past continuous में भी was और were यूज़ होता है बेटा और इसका सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर है subject plus was were plus first form of verb plus ing and then object. Examples. I was going to market. मैं मार्केट जा रहा था. She was sleeping on bed. They were writing. I hope beta the use of was and were is clear now.